Hey, my name is Jared, but when I'm in this kitchen, you can call me Chef Gerard. We're at Back to the Roots, an urban mushroom farm in Oakland, California, and I'm cooking it up, having some fun. I want to show you how to make a hot mushroom dip. I'm going to use these mushrooms right here that I've grown myself out of this little brown box. Super easy, super fun. Only takes about 10 days. All you've got to do is add water, and that's it. All right, my favorite thing about making a dip is that I get to just grab all these random awesome ingredients from my kitchen, throw them together and just stir them up and then eat that with some chips. All right, gonna start with a couple tablespoons of pure olive oil, a medium-high heat, garlic, love that sizzle, red pepper and red onion. Woo! Cook those for 30 seconds to a minute before I add my fresh oyster mushrooms. The awesome thing with these mushrooms is I literally just harvested these things myself. Pulled them right off that box, chopped them up into small little pieces, and hey, it doesn't get any fresher than that. All right, my mushrooms have browned up a little bit. Gonna add kidney beans. I got the low sodium kind, keep it a little bit healthy. Some no fat refried pinto beans. Like 3 or 4 chopped up pickled jalapenos. Love those pickled jalapenos. About half a can of some salsa. And maybe a half cup or cup of a little chicken broth. You could use water, vegetable broth, beef broth. Gonna mix all this together. Should be kind of soupy to start. We'll let it boil off and get to that nice dip consistency and top it with some cheese, of course. I've let it cook down for a couple minutes and it's to that perfect dip consistency. So I've thrown all my favorite ingredients together, added a little liquid, cooked it down to this awesome dip. You know what time it is, my friends. It's taster time. Gotta love the way that cheese just melts all over the top of it. The meaty texture of the mushrooms really adds to the dish. And you could always throw in chicken, beef, whatever else you want, but hey, that's how you make a hot mushroom dip.